In this video, I will show you how you can recover your Facebook account with or without an email and password. So to get started, go ahead and open facebook.com on your browser or open the Facebook app on your device. Now that will redirect you into the sign in or sign up section. So what you can do in here is to click on that forgot password button, and that will redirect you into the section. In here, you'll need to enter the email connected to your Facebook account. If you can't remember your password for that account, you'll need to enter that email that you've connected with that and hit on the search button. Once you have found your account, go ahead and click on that button beside your account name, and you'll be able to change your password through an email confirmation, which will allow you to change your password. Now, if you don't have an email connected to your Facebook account, or if you have forgotten it, you can simply enter the mobile number connected into that account in this section. So make sure that you enter the correct mobile number to be able to guarantee that you can find your account. Once you have found your account in this section, go ahead and hit on that "This is my account" button, and Facebook will send an OTP to you, which will allow you to sign in into your account on your device, and that is how you can simply recover your Facebook account with or without an email and password. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.